I've let these panels sit for 1 week, and here's how they finally cured up. This is the FC750 clear coat over a silver base coat, and this is the POR matte clear over a silver base coat. And the FC750 over a black base coat, there is a little bit of reflectivity to it, whereas this POR matte clear coat over the black base coat has more of a flat sheen. Which one should you use? Well, it all depends on the final finish you're trying to get. Each clear coat is good, and they both have their time and place. Thanks for watching.